You just mentioned the whole story of how you put together Maharani with all your wonderful collaborators. What is your favorite part of Maharani that you feel is underrated?
So now, when we were making the track, now there is a part after Arpit's verse ends. There were supposed to be 8 more lines in Arpit's verse.
Yeah.
रहता हूँ बेकसा. उसके बाद और 8 लाइनें थी. ना 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 ना. So I was like, I think इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. Arpit, let's just remove these lines. He was like, okay भैया, that's amazing. So we removed those and वहाँ पे वो चलता है. So I was with Faizan. Faizan has made Kamikaze with Nanku.
Yeah.
So I was with Faizan and we were sitting रात को and we were like opened FL and then I was like, Faizan, we have an idea. For this small part, this 30-second, can you play a guitar solo for me? He was like, why not? We opened FL, started doing it. He was like, and he went on for 10 minutes. Then I sent it to Udbhav Nanku. So he did something with chopping the guitars and everything, and then he let it play till the end of the track. It was just supposed to be for those 30 seconds. I told Nanku specifically, place it here, that's it. Uske baad, Revo will come in, Gildial will come in. Then I think hook आएगा, फिर I'll come in, ऐसे and he did that. So from that part, those 30 seconds are literally my favorite. That's my favorite part in the whole song. I love that because of the musicality of it. I just wanted it to be there, ki let it flow. Sometimes you just need to respect music also. You just cannot always blabber on it.
94.3 Radio 1